Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be unboxing dumplings. First, we got this orange dumpling with water in it. Really cool. Next, we got this mini dumpling that I love. It's my favorite one actually. It has foam in it this time. I got this purple dumpling that also has foam.
It's mine.
I got this pink dumpling with water in it. That's mine.
Yeah.
And then I got this blue water dumpling with glitter in it. That's also mine. I got this yellow dumpling, and it's also mine. It's actually my mom's favorite.
No, it's my favorite. My
And
mom's favorite.
we got this unicorn dumpling that actually lights up when you go outside.
It turns blue, and it's mine.